What's up guys, it's me Ethan. In today's video we're fishing on the new SEAFORTH out of San Diego on an AM charter in search for a Pacific Bonito. Featured in this video is Andy, known as Bouncer Fishing, Brandon Fishes, Jared, Caden, Yvonne, Smoot, and Tim. I'll leave Andy's and Brandon's channels in the description below. Check out their POV and check out their channels. They have lots of cool content. I highly recommend it. Shout out to the new SEAFORTH crew, the captain, deckhands for getting us on fish and helping us out while fishing. Although we think this day could have been better, I'm not complaining. We caught fish and we had fun. Don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. This video is kind of long, so I'll leave it to you guys to watch the rest of it. Oh, someone got one in the front.
Keep fishing here, guys. One going.
Biter on the bow, apparently.
Oh, that's what it was?
Yeah. I'll move up. You said 140?
120.
120 gram?
No,
or just feet? Okay, I was about to say, man. Oh shit, there's a bunch of people right there. Excuse me. I think I'm in the middle of y'all. Anything? Huh?
Yeah, some guy hooked the yellowtail.
Oh, that's what it was? Yellowtail.
There we go. Get a bait in the water.
Going out! All on trolleys?
Yep.
Damn.
It's not a good school.
Yeah. It's probably like one of the most lively OB, if anything.
Huh?
Where'd Andy go?
You want to believe the fish?
Oh. They believe us.
That's crazy.
That's probably, I don't know.
And the hook came out right as the gaff went in.
Biter.
Throw it good. Throw it good. Throw it good. Slide a bait in the water, guys.
Going out.
Going out.
Stuff's coming back under us here. A little bit deeper, guys. Sink out those jigs.
Going out.
So.
Boil! Boil! Right side.
Going out. Yeah, go ahead, man. I was on 80, but then I switched to 60. I went 60 to 80 to back to 60. These things are finicky, bro.
They're not supposed to be. They're supposed to be dumb.
Yeah. I don't know, you don't see. I'm squeezing in between the, right here, man. Going out. Bony? Oh, that was a boil.
yeah, me too.
I was like, yo.
Trigger something.
I know, I heard it. I was about to yell it, bro. I'd expect to start moving soon.
You see you getting launched.
Climb up there, guys. Keep moving. Seems like these things are starting to want to actually wake up. Let's find up. We'll go get on another one. Scoops over this side. Couple scoops. Couple scoops. Couple scoops.
Going out.
Going out.
Almost backlash this.
Oh yeah. Oh shoot.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're gonna get him. We're gonna get him, bro.
How? I think I'm over you.
Follow your lines here, guys. Follow your lines.
Biter!
Follow your lines. There's third row casting. Make sure that you get to the rail.
Ooh. Hot rail going right. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go!
Go down. Go the rail.
Over me, Tim, come on.
Come on, dude. Come on. Are you on?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, we're tangled. Fuck.
We're tangled.
Come on, come on. Oh.
Come on, come on.
Tangle.
Okay, it's okay. Hold on.
Okay, under. Come on, hot rail. Fuck. Came off right.
Let go.
Come on, let's go. Go now. Let's go, boys. Come on.
Come on. Guys, let me bounce.
Come on, let's go.
Go right here.
Oh. Oh, on the surface. Come on, Smooth, let's go.
Come on, Andy.
Go now.
Oh my gosh, dude, they don't quit.
Come on, follow your line, bro. Come on, go. Chase it.
Right under me.
Dude, how far down were you sinking him?
It's like 30 feet maybe.
Dude, I lost one, bro. You need gaff?
You think I could flip him?
If you go to the lower side, but I don't know about here.
You get it? Oh gosh, don't do that. Yeah, I might be able to flip him.
Yeah, you will be. Come on, let's go. You ready? Dude, that was the only wave, bro. Good shit, Andy. Huh? Yeah, what you need?
Ready?
Bro, wind way more down, bro. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, just go. Literally just go. Just send it, bro. Over!
Yeah, nice. That's it.
Dude. Mondo.
Monster, bro.
Go now. Dude, good shit, yo.
Oh, shit.
Hey, hold on. Let me take a video real quick.
That tastes better.
How deep you letting it sink?
Like 20.
Okay. Biter! Woo! Oh, going left, my fault, man. Bro, I got a little baby one. Oh, shit. Watch out, coming over. Ah!
That's not a baby.
Woo! Let's go.
Dude, we're all on fish.
Come on, let's go.
You flip your sim? Yeah. Go down.
Dude, no, I thought it was a baby because he wasn't peeling drag. Let's go. Oh. Coming down. Appreciate it so much, man. Going out. Finally got bite marks on his dick, bro. I know, that was crazy, bro.
Sick.
Going out. My fault, man.
It was on this time.
I was about to say, bro. Oh, I just broke my mount. Did I? I think I did. Got bouncer fishing. Bro got on his first real bonito.
And I finally bounced fish.
Bouncer fishing, bouncing fish.
Yeah, dude.
They got on some?
What?
They got on some?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Well, live or jig?
I don't know what. No, he got one.
Run out.
Go now. Alright, go further. You got a downside though, like massive.
What are you using? Oh, 100, what, 130? 100, oh, 100.
How long was that?
I'm on 60.
150.
Damn. I'm on 60.
Probably downside. Try even the dye surgery.
Yeah, that's pretty much how it is, bro. Everyone hooks up. Next thing you know, it's all silent. Good stuff, dude.
Got that on video too. Yeah, it was. Yeah.
But that was crazy, bro.
Oh, shit, on too. That was like public.
Biter!
Oh, nice. Oh, there you go.
Woo! Oh,
Couple going on the bow.
they're deep.
Deep?
Dude, what is it? Oh, it's he's getting chased by Sue. Come on, let's go. Oh, let's go!
Oh my god.
Woohoo!
Come down.
Come on, let's go. Hot rail. Oh. Alright, let's go.
That's a big one.
Yeah, right here too. Let's go. Workout, bro.
I know, right?
Shit. Hey, going right.
Stick it deep, bro. Stick it deep. Yeah, they're deep.
This thing only want to crank, bro.
Dude, I got smacked. Oh shit.
I can't move them, bro.
Oh shit. You in?
Oh shit. I need to go. Oh, no. Come on. Let's go. Woohoo! Come watch out, I'm going to the right. Watch out.
Over.
Come on, babe. Dude, what is this? This guy's still deep. Ah, shit. Coming down. Hot rail. Let's go. Come on. Coming down, hot rail. Deep color. Think so, yeah. Fuck.
Color, right?
Like you can barely see him. I got someone's line, come on. Whose line?
Don't pull on that line. Right,
Come on.
right here. Perfect. That one's gotta go underneath.
Come on, let's go.
Slide that one down.
Let's go, going down, coming down. Shit.
Keep pointing that way. Keep pointing to your right.
Yeah, for sure.
Up the rail.
Let's go, coming up. Oh, over.
That one's gotta come underneath. Both these gotta go
Come on,
underneath.
let's go.
What's your run?
Yeah, go ahead, man. Alright, appreciate it, man. Shout, coming right. Over.
Watch those lines, guys.
Come on.
Right here. You're still in the water.
Come on.
Run.
Yeah, go ahead. Control, go. Let's go. Appreciate it, man. Let's go, coming down. Might have foul hosed him. I don't know. Hey, I need to go down to the corner.
Down the corner. Keep coming down the skirt.
Come on.
Slide your right.
Come on.
Slide right to the other corner. Actually, stay right there.
Yeah. I can barely pull on this dude, man.
What pound test do you have?
25 liters, 40 braid.
Yeah. We go through your fishing back.
Workout, dude. Come.
Slide up.
Coming left. Oh, never mind. Someone's line right here.
See that line right here. Oh, come back.
Other way, yeah. Let's go. Oh no, going right, going right. Oh, that's good. Coming out, hot rail. Coming right, coming right, coming right, coming right. Coming right. Corner, 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 corner. Under, under, under.
You're going under. Couple steps up the rail. Actually, stay right there. Tip to your left. Tip to your left.
Yeah, I have
Got a white braid on this one.
I'm gonna follow hook this dude. I think I followed hooked him.
Whoa, bro.
You want it? Grab it.
I don't see your gaff, man. Whew. Come on. Get up here. Get up here. God.
36 pounder? No, it's like a 7 pounder.
6 7. Under, under, under. Come on. Come on, under, 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 under. Come on, man. Let's go. Shit. Hey, got tangles.
You're good. Alright, both of you guys open your bail lines. Lift up on the yellow. Just pull on the fish. Do not pull on those lines.
He's snagged on the side.
I see him.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Right now, just fucking hit him.
Let's go. Ooh. Okay, come on down.
Hit him in the head.
Appreciate it so much, man.
Yeah.
Holy mondo, man. Snagged him, but
It's extra hard when you
yeah.
have to
Woo.
decide.
Yeah. Appreciate it so much, man. 24. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Come on, go there, guys.
Woo.
Come on, try and find another one like that one. Twine hook.
Dude, my hands are cramping, bro. No, I snagged him, but he was just dying, bro. Go now.
Scoops.
Bro, I know, I was about to say, where the f are you?
Did you get a bite?
I got right. Sink, they said sink them. Sink them down, yeah.
I'm going for like 12 right now.
This small hook.
Yeah.
That's right.
I don't know what my mouth went.
I don't know. I don't hear anything. The commotion from up there. Going out. Going out.
You hungry?
Oh shoot.
no,
Oh,
go on.
they're all around. Let's go.
Oh,
Biter! Let's go under me. Oh my gosh, came off, bro. Never mind, he's still under. Go left, come on. Never mind, he's going right. Oh, level, over. Oh, it came off, bro. Yeah. Going out. See, but that a wave, bro. Dude, I probably foul hooked him because he was peeling way too much. Nice. Go ahead. Let's go, Kaden. Going out.
Going out. They still hit up.
Yeah. This is probably our last shot.
Come on, Brandon.
Come on, bro. I think so. That's how I got mine. It was probably like a 20-second sink.
Oh shit, you got one?
No. Or I lost him. I probably foul hooked him. It was that same scenario. I wasn't able to pull.
I just want to hook it on the line.
I know, but that tug is the real. Right there, biter! Dude, right on the pause, right when I paused. Let's go, bro. Left, under, right. 20, 30 seconds, come on.
Over?
Nah, he's right there, Let's go, Brandon. Come on, doubles right here. Hey, yo, Andy, you wanna take a video of us? Let's go, watch it right here. I can both flip, Come on. Under. Watch out, going over. Watch out. Coming over! Free spool. Appreciate it, man. Number 24. Hey, you got a good position.
It's a goldfish 16.
Huh? Yeah.
Was it like at the deep?
No, it was like 20 seconds probably. 20 seconds. I was reeling it in though.
Yeah, you just run it.
Yeah, watch out, my fault, man. Going out. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, unfortunately we are all out of time. Do need to get going here. You would wind up, put your rods and rod holders. Boys be spraying off the boat on the way in. Wind up, we gotta get going.
How we feeling, bro?
Chilling, bro. I popped off 3, got 1. I'm happy.
How we feeling, Snoop?
Good. Got my first Bonito. Also got my first one. That's how I feel.
That's the thumbnail, bro.
Yeah. Thanks. I used you in my thumbnail, like it's unfair.